Most glutathione supplements are just focused on skin whitening. W Plus is the game changer. It gives you detoxification, cellular rejuvenation, it delays the aging, and it gives you oral sunblock, guys. 90 capsules per box, 700 milligrams per capsule. W Plus is not just glutathione. We give you S-acetyl glutathione with better and faster absorption. Plus, it gives you full support for detoxification. It comes with stem cells, so it gives you cellular rejuvenation. It has collagen that delays your aging, and astaxanthin as your oral sunblock. This is your overall health in one capsule. When you order W Plus today, as in today, we give you our phytoceutical sunscreen with stem cells and vitamin C for free. So what are you waiting for, guys? Check out mo na yan.